Hi, my name is Abhay Chandra, and I'll be giving an industry report presentation on the topic logistics and sustainability in the bottled water industry. Speaking about the bottled water industry, consumption of bottled water has exponentially increased in the recent years. The increase in bottled water consumption is accompanied with the impact on the environment due to manufacturing of plastic bottles, usage of plastic cups and plastic pallets. Very few studies have investigated the impact of bottled water supply chain on the environment. Talking about bottled water supply chain, it consists of several stages in a typical bottled water supply chain, such as raw materials, bottlers, wholesalers, distributors, retailers, and end consumers. The key raw materials involve bottles, labels, plastic cups, and packing seals. The raw materials in this supply chain are non-expensive, but however face several challenges such as increase in cost of distribution, packaging, and transportation, which is connected to the rise in fuel prices. In a supply chain viewpoint, the leading challenges are inventory management, forecasting techniques, and tracing of products. In recent times, this industry has gone through a great deal of criticism due to its impact on the environment because of its use of plastic bottles and use oil consumption for bottle manufacturing and the emissions due to the transportation and also due to the use of non-biodegradable packaging for the bottles. Further, talking about green supply chain management, it is an important concept which assists in waste reduction, saving costs, leading to profit, lowering the environmental risk, and enhancing ecological order. The nine aspects of green supply chain management are green purchasing, internal sustainable management, green distribution, green packaging, green manufacturing, green training, reverse logistics, and investment retrieval and customer eco-friendly participation. Establishments keen on implementing green supply chain management should understand the interconnections between the nine aspects and how in turn they influence environmental, social, and financial performance of the company. Further, the report consists of case studies on three companies, namely BO, SI, and UR, which are bottled water companies. Talking about the first company, the organization consists of 5 employees who are trained and certified for managing health, environment, and safety, which permits the company to make professional decisions on environmental issues. The second company uses ingredients that are solely produced in Germany to make sure the products are matching Germany quality worldwide, and using products which are locally locally produced decreases transportation emissions and decreases cost on fuel transportation. Talking about the third company, the company compels its suppliers to deliver environmental friendly supplies and its distributors to reduce transportation, which accordingly reduces carbon emission. The major environmental project taken up by the company is disposing of waste to its local suppliers. Further talking about recommendations for reducing carbon emissions, the manufacturers of bottled water must cooperate with their wholesalers and retailers and collect back the pallets for use, which helps in reducing the carbon footprint. Companies in the same region must cooperate with local farmers and make a joint investment in renewable resources like biomass energy and hydropower, which favors the companies as well as the farmers. Hydropower is an efficient renewable energy source to reduce electrical um, uh, to reduce the emissions caused due to the energy due to electricity. Transportation sharing in between companies, uh, uh, like collaboration between the companies, can reduce 50% of fuel emissions. To conclude this presentation, I would like to talk about certain implications found in the report, that the bottled water industry, which refers to companies designed to become sustainable, must focus on three major aspects: green procurement, green production, and improved transportation to reduce emissions. Life cycle assessments on bottled water shows that major emissions are due to the usage of caps, plastic caps, and plastic pallets. Plastic bottles and fuel uh, spent on transportation account to least environmental carbon footprint. Greenhouse gas emissions can largely be reduced by implementing green supply chain management, and mainly small and medium scale and enterprises which have a huge impact, play an important role in environmental impact, and must be motivated in eliminating emissions and non-economic processes for the development and reduced carbon emissions. Thank you.